In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a 100% save file in Sniper Elite 5. Check my video description for this save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on this Sniper Elite 5 profile saves MS Team ID. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK and open the Sniper Elite 5 profile saves a random number. Before dropping this 100% save, you need to back up your game progress. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup and drag and drop your game progress inside the backup. And now drag and drop the 100% save file in this location and launch the game. Select campaign, select mission, and all missions unlocked. Choose the mission you want to play. To show you guys the save is working, I'm gonna start this save. And as you can see, the save file is loaded successful. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.